begin Forex trading with your trusted partner, Tradewave. Tradewave believe everyone has a right to grow, earn extra income. Stock market trading, Forex trading is the platform where you can fulfill your all dreams. Tradewave is the platform where anyone can learn to trade with right tools and correct guidance. Do you know what is real learning curve? You must know at which market you have to trade. You must know the complexity of trading software. You must know technical analysis. What to buy, what to sell, when to buy, when to sell. Experts trading calls or trading signals, which you will learn and understand, what to buy or sell, where to book profit or where to book loss. Get regular market events and regular news about the market trends. Due to lack of awareness about the real learning curve for a profitable trading destination, everybody is trying to sell their products, tools and services for beginners through their selling skill and say, I am the best. And it's tough for beginners to identify which may really profitable. We at Tradewave will provide you all these learning curve because Tradewave is the real path to start trading. We understand the toughness and struggle in the beginning to choose the right tools, so Tradewave offering all the supporting tools free of cost for you. Yes, it's free for you. Let's join Tradewave and understand the real learning curve of trading.